nia esi poso kasum beka say perinia dia brano etasi na dia ma we eda soronko so the mpanifo mieni na di kakan no the volumes of water vary spilling and then susanya edem any havoc unia sa nsuo ya ekwe edema timabufo no na one mpanifo di nkomo a say it span over 3 regions, part of Eastern, Volta, and to some extent Greater Accra. And I would say affecting barely 9 constituencies or 9 districts.
9 districts. Yeah.
Like I say, we know magnitude no, very high. Now, as we see, there are few things I've penned down, apart from the politics, the statements, and other thing of it. I want to say something. Maybe I may say, as a country, we cannot do the same thing over and over and over and expect a different answer.
Yeah.
And I think that the time has come. Say we lay the blame squarely at where it is. Politics out. Me sure say very engineers are monitor levels of water in the dam. Now the nye eno so kwa in vacuum. Me sure say a share nsuo say better center from meteorological services. So afutu de ma as to the patterns of rain, because nsuo no nsuo a eba dam no nye nsuo a eto Ghana nkwa. Say nsuo na tra beyond even Ghana to Burkina Faso and beyond. Nti nsuo a eto wo nyina determine the volume of water ebem. Nti at what point ana via Rebecca said baby adunu nsuo go so to. Si enjai bi kakaka mana nkwa ebi baby a. He said be ye nhye ma ye jai bebre. Na kofa ye ne we ba. Nti when you put that what they know to nsanye ni ya. Ubo say there was a failure on the part of engineers of VRE because nsuo no eba kaka they foresaw it. And there are forecasts. So they are within the next week, a better heavily in this part. It informs.
The was said in their calculation, it was a do level so as you started to experience soon.
And I make kind of say, a better sound level, no, forecast say, now
based on assumption.
No, some forecast, no assumption. I told you, I'm one hypocrite.
Yes.
Or what me tell me say, but they are watching.
So, but they make kind of say, Ebia, your level measurements. What it drew a hit Ebia. And you be chance, you say, ye jai soon be experience soon. And like we are saying, you anticipate to say, Ebia Sinosicano, 3 weeks I, and a bet hit one. Oh, argument, they say, and they said 2 weeks or 1 week or 5 days time, never hit it, your bar now. You're starting spirit. Is that what you are saying?
Yes, and then your friend, controlled spillage. Who said, no, you make a crack near tomb. Is it a bear and floody? Near Jack a cry near tomb. Near Jack a cry near tomb. You check a tomb. It's going to be called kaka, a branco titania, because pressure can see and said, in the dam. So they control it. And this old team commodina, a buyer, bedu babia, na a yama, still on, and so no good to influence the river. Don't say you be. Go ye mere dam no can say the integrity of the dam. Dam now what thing bet me I affected. So say you be then so na cause and even as we speak now, there's still anticipation says and so no within this week, a second one, there may be another spill. It can make us say urban, all this in the science is available. Into all these things are at our disposal. If you collaboration paying and get a paying and what Ghana your various sectors in him. Because I've heard people talk, they're very serious. Something. So okay, so be so you fire. Now you can't cemeteries. How can I go? Bodies say
much.
Bodies yes, and you probably see within that period. More mortuary and other things. And see, anticipation ben say volumes of water no, say le engineering ben the course. That's what I want to see. Who put two everything together? There was a failure in the system, and I think that is where we should be looked at. As here Enti yekasa bebre a they say no mprempren komodie ne be say one ya ato omo no edian na was say omo. And I think that again say utie nkomodie na politics aside, I think that the response of the nation to the earlier stages was very slow. If you ask me my candid opinion. Because media for Moya, the various radio stations, various TV stations started. Now, hammer, they show videos, they pictures, answer, babeti gidi. Because elsewhere, and be dam na gate now, the NADMO, the everything will be on standby for any eventualities.
Na solo.
Yeah.
Not before Hansana is you know. Because Utie Viari from Penny for now. And I'm one of the deputy directors Eba Kukuko show on a channel Sefaka entertaining Como. And I watch say even answer the way babysitting 3 months back. And she say, yeah, or many communities engagement. Exercise not before can so ya for no more obi obekasa not before new at the time almost spring so then
Ken Mr. Ken Samson and yet will have some this is what they make the NADMO elsewhere will be on standby with the military with prepared ready for action.
No more
that is more they were there but the action as you see here days after this in your say omode canoes be a boat speedboat be menu miensa ekwa my name come on so the because I dey we enye nne nkwa na ebesi ti answer chiri anka ne na esi ne nti o se ye kan sam say dey tie no moving on no ya ansam be tell say that something so ni bless me wo me say me share myself as a teacher o try dan ni bia asubmeji in water for all these years me assure say the integrity of those buildings are sick. A major party is gone for life, and these people have to bring those properties back. Today, we can't answer. That is why I make us a CMU. And then what will we do so that in the coming days, if permanently areas in low land and they have to be permanently be resettled, I think that there should be a holistic, plan. Moving on. So, people are complaining. Intermediate, policies aside, again, who Sunday I did better to say impenophobia are saying that we should declare state of emergency. And I think that is in order. Because it has some sort of seriousness to it. And I'm told, say, when we will declare state of emergency, and there's a likelihood, say, from our bilateral partners. Because after installing many people count to losses within this 9 districts. And you say the magnitude of the loss, they are within this economy already. Youngasa, boy, this is you say, we need to be looking at all this. Say, I'm also adding up the call that yes, minimum what situation, and I said, baby, also managing. Now you declared that state of emergency if there are parameters. I'm not very much informed about the parameters, but I think that from a layman, we show videos and pictures. Now show the magnitude of Nema in Sona Saya. If we do that, it will help us as a country.